Good evening, YouTube friends. What a mess. Well, we're starting to get things back to normal. That there was the kitchen. We had a sink base there with our sink in it. As you can see, they're sitting in the middle of the room. But we've been doing some renovations. So here's what's been happening. Give you a quick tour. Sink base was here. And that's where the window was. Oh, again, my name is Jim. Thank you for visiting my channel, Off Grid Living with the Bennetts. So that was where the window was. And that's where the sink base was. So I've torn it all out. And this is between the two builds. This is now going to be a hallway. Ouch, just stepped on a stone. And this will be our bedroom. That's the window I took out of the kitchen, which was there. And then this is our hallway. And this is our new kitchen. There you have it. Again, it's a narrow hallway. It's only 30 inches wide. Down the hallway I go. Into the bedroom. Have a pocket door for the bedroom. Then this here will be another hallway, or the rest of the hallway. That will be the closet off the bedroom. That'll be a storage room off the hallway. And that there will be my tote room, my water supply storage area, and my electrical panel box. And that'll be, oh, another stone. That'll be my way to go outside, and a way to bring the water tote inside, which is right there. So I finally got these two buildings made into one. As you can see, that's an outside wall. As you can see, that's an outside wall. I've got, this is a utility shed style building, and that's a barn style building. And they're now totally joined together, which I'm really pleased about. And I've got the insulation done over there. Up there, I've got to do some insulating. This wall, because the outside's not finished, I got to do flashing first. I decided I would put a thermal barrier up and chipboard up, and then I'll insulate that from outside. So there you have it. It was a long time coming, but now, like I say, I still have to redo my water lines. Those water lines right there, I'm going to put a hole in the wall, and they're going to come through the wall down there. So there you have it. Finally, one building from two. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you in the next video.